morning, YouTube. Sorry. Good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday, 11:30 in the morning. I just received my only emergency service call. Not too far away from where I am. Probably 10 minutes away. No, not 10 minutes away. 25 minutes away. And it is a no heat call in a warehouse. It's a big warehouse. I know that unit. It's an old monster that is not working right. So that's where I'm going now. I don't know what I'm gonna find, but I'm gonna shoot a video and see what is happening. But I'll see you there, right? Thank you. That's the heater up there. That's my unit. It's an old equipment. This is what they use to control it, but I don't know if any of this is working right now. They got this thermostat. I believe that's what they use to control it. So right now it's calling for 63 degrees. Heating temperature is 50 degrees right now. So they got a kind of diagnostic lights that it tells you what is happening in the unit, the sequence. So right now the only ones that I light up is low temperature limit switch and power to fan starter. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna shut down this and make sure that everything is fine, and we go from there. New burner. Jeez. And that's it. Alright, gas valve. The gas valve is open. I gotta believe that they have gas in the building. We're gonna find that in a minute. I think we can shut this down for now. That's the new burner. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if this is enough light. Let me grab the other one. That's the burner assembly that is new. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, it's a new burner. Where's my pilot? Oh, here. Yeah, it's nice and clean. Then I don't know if you can see it, but there you have the ignition electrode or spark plug, however you want to call it, and then we have the UV light there, the purple one. So when you get flame, you have a time delay in which the UV light is supposed to see the flame, and if it doesn't happen, it goes in a lockdown mode and it will try again. So we can see if the light is, if the eye is clean. That's the first thing we're gonna do now. Belt is fine. Looks like it has been greased recently. Alright, let's fire it up again and see what happens. And the flame primary control has been replaced in 2013. I don't see where these fuses go. Strange. There's a bag of fuses over here, but I don't see where they go. This is not tripped. Not tripped. Alright. Let's fire it up and see what happens. Low temperature limit switch. There she goes. We got pilot. You can see it. The UV light should be seeing now the flame. There she goes. Fire. It takes some time. I don't know why she went in a kind of step, you know, she was going half away and then she fired up the rest of the burner. But anyway, for right now everything is fine. Gonna watch it for a few minutes and see what happens. Right. Let's shut this down and we're gonna grease the bearings. All right. Okay. Got one grease feeding over here. That's that. Let's go inside now. This motor doesn't look like it has been greased before. Alright, let's take care of this guy first of all. Okay, that's that. Okay, that's that. Okay. Let's grease this. Whoa. Well, she needed some grease. Probably gonna go and hit the motor one more time and hit the other bearing. Just on time out right now. Alright, let's fire this baby up again. Make sure that nothing is happening. You know what, I didn't check the belts. Let's check the belts. Yeah, they might need to be replaced. They are not bad. They're kind of old. I don't see any cracks. Yeah, I'm gonna recommend to replace them now that the winter time is starting. BX 103, 105, this 103. I need to replace the batteries on my flashlight. BX 105. Alright. 2BX 105. Alright. Let's fire this baby up. Fire in the hole. I have another call after this. So far she's good. I'm assuming I don't see anything wrong with it. I'm assuming that whatever happened yesterday with the power, when this place lost power, it let the unit locked out. They tried to reset it at the thermostat downstairs, but you know, the thermostat is not. Modulating again, so that's good. So they tried to reset it by the thermostat, but they couldn't. I was suspecting something major, but it wasn't, so that's a good thing. Alright, so what we did is just we greased the bearings right now. I noticed that the motor, it was not greased at all, so that's a good thing. And all valves are opening and closing. The pilot regulator is fine. The UV light is fine. So we're good to go, I guess. Alright, the outside air damper is closed and the return damper for the space is wide open. That's what we need. Alright, so we're good to go. Good for Saturday.